WR. Jesus fucking Christ! Ow! I love that. Yes, cross country over there, and I gotta say,
what time's that cross country leaving at?
A very good experience. What's your thoughts on the cross countries?
Fucking bullshit, I hate them.
And it was too busy on board, no one had a seat, everyone was standing and jumping on top of each other. He put his thumbs up at me.
What's a carrion? Is that rocks or sand?
Rocks?
Yeah, rocks.
He put his thumbs up at me.
Huh?
I waved at him and he put his thumbs up. Yeah. God, it's quite a long one.
I'm gonna guess that's what that. Yeah, I think this is longer than the Tesco one we saw, right? Ages ago. Or it could be because it's a lot slower than the Tesco one.
Railway service to Bristol Temple Meads.
Oh, we're not going to Temple Meads again.
Bristol Temple Meads. This train has
I'd never want to go back to Temple Meads after the...
Oh, the whole of Bristol.
No, Bristol Parkway is not as bad as Temple Meads.
Platform 1 from 1516 Great Western Railway service to
Stopping.
Bristol Temple Meads.
They raved again, didn't they? I just thought that.
Oh shit, man! Absolute shit, man! Look at this weather! Oh!